Yoga Kids Dino!
Welcome to Yoga Dino! Are you ready for some fun partner yoga? Grab your best friend and let's stretch and play together. Partner Easy Pose. Sit back to back with your partner, cross your legs and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in and breathe out nice and slow. Seated forward fold. Sit facing your partner, stretch your legs out, hold hands and gently pull. Feel the stretch. Good job. Double leg stretch. Lie on your back, lift your legs up, press your feet together. Push gently, hold it. You're doing great. Heart tree pose. Stand tall, lift one foot up. Now make a heart with your hands together. Balance, don't fall. Wow, beautiful. Side leg lift. Stand next to your partner, lift one leg out. Your partner helps you balance. Stay strong, you got this. Double forward fold. Stand and bend forward, hold each other from behind, stretch your body, nice and easy. Partner dancer pose. Lift one leg back, hold your foot. Now hold your partner's hand. You look like dancers. So cool. Partner camel pose. Come down on your knees, lean back slowly, open your chest. Big stretch. Keep smiling. Wow, yogis, you are doing so good. High five your partner. Now get ready. The tricky poses are coming. Forward fold stretch. One partner in plank, stay strong. Other partner lifts the legs. Hold it, don't shake. Amazing teamwork. Supported wide leg pose. One partner stands strong, other goes upside down, legs wide. Balance, balance. Wow, that's awesome. Backbend partner pose. One bends forward, other leans back. Stretch your body nice and long. Only one more pose. This is the best one. Are you ready to fly? Flying super pose. One partner lifts the other up, arms out like wings. You are flying. Hold it. Wow. Wow, yogis, you did it. All 12 poses done. Give your partner a big high five. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Yoga Dino. We make fun yoga videos every other day. Bye, yogis. Keep stretching and keep smiling.